Hi everyone, it is Thyanne Garcia. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I am gonna show you guys my mega box Thrive Market unboxing. So let me show you guys the box. It's really huge. I've already done a bunch of unboxing videos, but I'm gonna make a review on all the stuff that I bought from Thrive Market. So stay tuned, subscribe, and watch the rest of this video. So here is my box. Look how huge it is. It's gonna fit the screen. Look how huge it is. Oh my goodness. Look at me and look at this box. But anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing it for you guys. You guys can't see my face. But anyways, I'm gonna unbox it. It has a bunch of stuff in here. There's a reason why the box is so huge, but you will soon find out why. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. Get the trusty scissor. It's open! Everybody, it's open! So every time someone does a box or packs a box, they actually sign their name on the packages. I've already done this in the other videos. If you want to watch the other unboxing videos, go and I think it's gonna be right here, right here. You can go watch the other videos that I have. And today, it looks like the person who packed this box, if I can flip it over, is Renee. Right there. You can read that. So, thank you, Renee, for packing my box. And I'm so excited to unpack this. I'm so glad that you did this for me because there's a lot of stuff in here. So I'm gonna open it up. Also guys, for my reviews, watch my Thrive Market box video so you know what exactly I got, in order for you guys to know like what I made a review on and what you guys might think would be a good fit for you guys too. For diet wise and like food and other necessities. But yeah, so I'm gonna open it up. Lots and lots of packing. But trust me, it's not just packing paper that's in there. Alright. Oh, you already saw the first thing. I actually pulled it out. So I'm actually on a snack haul because I'm gonna stick to a diet for quite a while and I don't want to be accidentally snacking on things in my fridge or in my pantry that I don't want to snack on, like that's not accordance to my diet. So I got myself some food that I can eat in order to curb those cravings, and one of those things is plantain chips. This is the chili lime flavor, so that's the first thing I got. Let's just start on this end because looks like I just started from that spot. So there's the Kraut Crisps. This is the dill pickle flavor, so I'm gonna taste that. It's great. And you guys, I got all of these on a discounted price because Thrive Market was putting a sale for barbecue type items and barbecue food stuff. But I just needed snacks, so I bought that. Okay. And so I actually got 2 of the dill pickle Kraut Crisps. I'm so excited. I want to see how these taste like, actually. I really do want to know how these taste like. But we'll see. And then I got more chili lime plantain chips. like it got crushed. I got cheddar, sour cream, bean chips. I know, it's kind of crazy. I got so many chips. Okay, don't worry. It's not all chips, although most of it is. But I'm gonna keep going. And then I got this spicy queso bean chips. I have one more thing in the center. I'll show you guys near at the end, but keep going so you can find out what else I bought. Besides, it's not all just chips, okay? And then I got cassava chips. That's smoky barbecue. Okay, I'm really excited about this one because I love barbecue. I love barbecue, almost barbecue anything, like literally. So I'm excited to try this one, and it's cassava chips, so that should be healthy. And then I got more cabbage chips, which is chili lime flavored. I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry you guys can't see my face very well, but I'm trying to like crouch, kind of, just to get my face in the video, but it's kind of hard trying to get all the stuff. But anyways, and then I got bean chips, the nacho flavor. So that's good. It has 4 grams of protein. I'm pretty sure some of the other stuff that I already took has 4 grams of protein too, which is always good, so I can build some muscle. Okay, so these I'm kind of excited for. Actually, I am excited for them. So it's like banana munchies. There's a buffalo flavored and a banana munchies garlic and herb flavored. I don't know if I actually like the garlic and herb flavored more. Like, I'm more excited for it because I really wanted the garlic and herb. But once I found the buffalo, ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that one better. So there's that. Okay, so through this package, I did get something for free through buying enough. So I bought $49 worth of stuff, and because I got something for free. It was one of their offers that they were doing, and one of the offers was that they'll give us a free wholesome fish oil. Is this tablets? Soft gels. They're soft gels. So I'm gonna try taking these just to get more of my fish oil. I did want the hemp gummies that they were giving on an offer, but I already bought this and I wanted the sale from the barbecue sale, so I bought it and then I got this for free, which is great. This is actually a $22 value, which is awesome. And so I'm gonna put this back. And the very last and not least, the thing I was trying to tell you guys that I wanted to buy, it is collagen. Yay! I've been wanting to buy collagen for a while now, but I was trying to save money, so I didn't buy the collagen because it was kind of expensive. I think this was like $21 or something like that. I don't know, but it was this is pretty good. This has 1.25 of a pound. 1 pound, well, it's 20 ounces. That makes more sense. Anyways, so or 1.25 pounds, this whole thing, which was a great deal. I'm glad I got it. I've been needing collagen for like my hair, my skin, my joints. I've been needing that because I really want to be healthy and all that stuff. But this is going to be a great addition to all my drinks and my smoothies and whatever I can put it in. Anyways, so apparently I think that is it for my big mega box. I'm sorry it has to be filled with all the chips and stuff, but the reason I bought those is they were all on sale, and it's like a snack major haul so I can curb my cravings. I think I already said that earlier, but thank you Renee. Where's her name? There it is. Thank you Renee for all the efforts for putting it in this big box. Try not to get all my chips crushed. And so let's do like a little mini summary, guys. So I got collagen, I got banana munchies, I got plantain chips, let's put that there. I got nacho bean chips and cheddar bean chips and spicy queso. Whoa, that's too much stuff here. Spicy queso. Trying to get into the screen. I just dropped something. Hold on. Okay. It was just packing paper. And I got the chili lime kraut crisps. I wish I got a different flavor because I have 2 chili lime plantain chips. But I guess I can like make a comparison video for that. And then the kraut crisps cabbage chips, which is dill pickle. Last and not least, oh wait, that's not last. The cassava chips smoky barbecue. And wholesome fish oil. Thank you so much, Thai Market, for all your wonderful food and wonderful products. I'm so excited for all of these. I'm not gonna eat them all in one sitting. I know that for sure. That's too much, way too much. But thank you so much. And Thai Market is not sponsoring this video, to let you guys all know. Although I wish they did. That would be really awesome. But I am just a big fan of Thai Market, so I'm making these videos, so I don't give a crap about whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching with this video. Don't forget to give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified of all my videos, especially for my upcoming review videos of food and stuff from Thai Market and also from other websites and online stores and stores from around wherever I live at. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that's it. Bye!